So iPhone has one of the most customizable haptic features. So in settings, if you go to sounds and haptics, and then you can see there are different types of notifications. So you can set different settings. So this was already there. And now if you go to any one of them, so first of all, if you see this reflection category, so these are the new ringtones that have been introduced by Apple as part of the iOS 26 update. So you can try these out. Now coming to haptics. So if you see, the default is always set as synchronized, which means the vibration adapts to whatever ringtone you have set up. But there are a bunch of other vibration or haptic patterns that you can set based on the requirement. So if you're not happy with the default setup, or you think that it's not good enough and you are missing out on calls or notifications, then you can try these out. So I'm sure one of these will definitely fix that problem. But one weird feature over here is create new vibration, which is creating your own haptic pattern. So if you click on this, you just need to keep tapping the screen in whatever like pattern you want. And then once this is done, you can just save that and then configure this particular haptic setting for any of the existing notification types. So this I found like really strange. I haven't seen anybody using that feature yet, but yeah, I mean, Apple does offer that feature for anybody who wants to create their own haptic pattern. And then once you come back to the sounds and haptic screen, so this exact same thing you can do uh, customizable for each and every notification type. So you can have different haptic setup, different ringtone. Obviously, this was already there. But I found that the haptic customization is pretty good on the iPhone compared to the other devices, let's say Pixel or even Samsung. So try these out and let me know if this helped you.